Hello everyone. This is the orientation session for 84 hours of physics treat for NEET. Here we will talk about how will the course flow, how you can utilize this course, whether you should take up the course or not. And we will answer many a question one by one. So let's start with the question in sequence. This course is an 84-hour course. So as the name itself says, it will take 84 hours. But now I know you guys are good at calculating. So you will start calculating if the course starts from 1st of May and then it takes 84 hours, then it will get completed just nearby my NEET examination. That's not the case. On Wednesday and Sunday, we will try to post 2 hours of video. We will try to ensure that the second video coming on a particular day is in connection with the first video. So that way it will be easier for you to understand and to be in synchronization. To be true, 84 hours is not sufficient, and to be true, no time frame is sufficient to understand every nook and corner of physics. So, but the bigger question is, do you have more than 84 hours available with you? The time frame you have left is small, and within that time frame, we have to ensure that we get good marks in NEET. So as to get good marks in NEET, we need to revise everything easily. Do remember, the NEET question papers are getting easier and easier day in day out. They are asking the basics and we are wasting our lot of time and energy learning shoo-sha things which are not coming in examination. So I promise you 84 hours will be sufficient. Okay, so why should you follow this course? If you are already doing good somewhere in any organization and getting sufficient marks and you are happy with your preparation, I will tell you this is not the time to change your rhythm. Towards the fag end of your preparation, you should focus on revision. But if you are unhappy with your physics marks and you are not getting sufficient marks, maybe because you are not able to solve numerical quicker, or you don't know the concept really well, or you do not remember the formula, then this is a really good course to revise quickly the whole physics syllabus in just 84 hours. I've already said every day there will be one video, and on Wednesday and Sunday we will try to post 2 videos, and every day the video will come at 12 in the noon, and evening videos, if they will come at 7 p.m. How you are supposed to connect with me? You can connect in many ways. There are phone numbers given, WhatsApp number given. You can even comment on the YouTube video. It will be seen and verified. But what I am saying is the best way to get in contact with us is to get connected on Telegram. After the completion of every lecture, the short notes of that lecture will be posted in the description as well as on the Telegram channel. But what I say is, again you are going to have notes of this revision. I will tell you, just focus on every single word said in the video. It's an online video. Pause it. Again listen to it if you haven't understood, rather than thinking that I will download the notes and then I will read it towards the end. What I'm saying is, this is the end. There is going to be no more ends. So there is no point having any more notes with you. Actually, having notes creates a sense of accomplishment that, okay, I have the notes, I will read them later, The time is now. There is no more time coming in later. Okay. So what I suggest is, listen to the lectures carefully, and if you have any doubt, go back, listen to it again, and if you still have doubt, post it in the comment section or post it in the Telegram group. It will be answered for sure. Again, I know that you have done 2 years of preparation. So you already have done certain amount of assignment. This is revision. So you should again try out the same question. If you get doubt on it, post it on Telegram. We will try to answer. Second thing, if you still want assignment that you don't have a particular type of book material, and if you want help under a particular section, You can post that also on Telegram and assignments can be sent to you. Now, I don't know who asked it, but this is the best question I got till now. How to maximize the use of this program? See kids, physics is one big continuum. Whatever you learn in first chapter is used in second, whatever you learn in second is used in third, and mathematics is the language of physics. So the first 6 hours of the course have been dedicated to mathematics. While revising trigonometry, you might feel I don't need trigonometry, but believe me, many of you are bad at wave optics, SHM, just because you don't know many of the trigonometric applications which are involved in that. So in the session of trigonometry or vectors or differentiation or integration, we are not doing actually math problem. The whole mathematical course is actually designed for everything which is used in physics. It's the mathematics used in physics. So do watch those 6 hours really carefully, and then the life will be smoother. Second thing I will say, it's a one big continuum. Watch everything through and through. Do not skip through videos. What if you start late? Man, we are already late. But okay, if let's say you start 10 days late, 20 days late, I suggest you not to start in the mid. In your rest of the time, make a plan that how are you going to devote 84 hours, and then start watching videos from the very first hour, because the course is designed to be used in a sequence. So if you have got less than 5-6 days left, then okay, congrats. But apart from that, you can make a plan and get it done. Again, a nice question. I always say before you start doing something, you should always think how this will end. So tentative date of completion of this course is 3rd of July. But if I get COVID positive and I fall sick or some emergencies happen, because we are living in a world where everything is changing every day, I still promise you the course will get completed within 10th of July. What if the exam gets postponed? I will like to tell you here, kids, do not think that the exam will get postponed. Prepare as if the exam is going to be exactly on 1st of August. If it does not happen, then we will do more revision, more practice, and will be more equipped for the actual examination. But don't let any news bother you that exam is going to get postponed, exam is going to get postponed. Do not think like that. About the test papers, you guys, I know most of you are involved with some of the organizations and you are already getting test papers. Go with them, do them. But if you want test papers, I promise you, just post it on the Telegram group, you will get test papers. So this concludes our orientation session. See you guys from the first hour of the 84-hour course, that is the next video. Bye bye, all the best.